Sean here from Gorge Garage. Today I'm working on a new project. I'm building a new boot rack. So I've started with a bit of a design. I'll give you a little better look at that throughout the video. I got tired of kind of the cheap, flimsy options that you can buy online and decided to make in the stores and decided to make my own. So I've got most of my material cut. So I'm using 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch by 1/8 HSS hollow structural tube. I've got 1 inch by 1 inch by 1/8 angle iron and some 1/2 inch, I think sked 40 or sked 80, doesn't really matter, but 1/2 inch pipe. That'll be the legs. And then I've just cut some 1/8 plate to cap the ends of the HSS. I still haven't quite figured out what I'm going to do with the feet yet, but I'll show you guys once I get there. So let's get started. First step is to weld the caps onto the HSS.